Okay, for this one, we're going to learn or practice how to solve for the missing short side of a triangle. So let's say we've got the hypotenuse, and let's just, for ease sake, let's say this is 15 centimeters. Let's say this is 7 centimeters over here, and we don't know what B is. Usually this is A, this is B, that's the hypotenuse, or C, same thing, and we've got that. So the formula here is B squared equals C squared minus A squared. So it's kind of a variation on the A squared equals B squared plus C squared. It's just the other way around. So let's start filling in the variables. We know that C is 15, so that's going to be 15 squared. Take away A, so A here is 7, so it's going to be 7 squared. And we don't know what B is yet, so B squared is going to be this. Now we just have to do the math. And this is where calculators come into play here. So feel free to use your calculator. And let's make this a little bit bigger here. Move it down where we can see. Okay, so 15 squared, so 15 times 15, remember that's what it means, would be 225. So you're going to write this down here as 225 minus, and you should be able to do 7 squared in your head, which would be 49. And then that equals B squared. Let me just move the calculator over here to a more convenient location on this computer screen. And let's do 225 minus 49. Now you might be able to do that in your head. Think about this, 225 minus 50 would be 175. And then plus one more, right? So B squared equals 176. Little math trick there, 225 minus 50 plus 1, right? We'll get you closer to 100, to get to the answer, 176. Okay, now you got B squared equals 176. Now we need to find out the square root of 176. And we'll go here to our calculator, and this is where our calculator is your friend. 176 square root, and you get 13.2664991614216. Most teachers don't care about that. Just go, I don't know, I'd recommend maybe 2 decimal places like that. 13.26. You could take this 6 here, and you know it's closer to 10. So you're going to round this up. This is going to be almost 7. So it's actually become 13.27, we'll call it as our answer. And then B would be 13.27, or for those of you who want to get technical out there, 13 and 27 hundredths. So then we know we can just put it in over here. B would be 13.27 centimeters. And if you think about it, you look at these lines, this line here is a little bit longer than this line. I can actually prove it. Let's change the color here. Let's draw a line exactly the same. And then let's see if I can just kind of spin this down. You'll notice here that this is longer. And if I make this down, this is now shorter. See? So the 15 is longer. So that makes sense, right? It makes mathematical sense. Good job. And that's how you solve for the short side of a triangle when you don't know what it is. Excellent job.